How to buy Prosper token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that's found on my channel, please do more research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token it's available on the screener. This token created 2 days ago and increased right now by 278,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here locked by 90%. It's mean that your investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, it is and simple. Just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Click on your wallet here and select the base as a network from here. After that, click on this plus icon and paste the token on this here, as you can see. So this is how to click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Prosper. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it and here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. So as you can see, this is it. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Prosper token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.